We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and unbiased look at the Richer House 5-set floating wall mounted shelves in black. If you own this product, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, using it supports the channel. The Richer House 5-set floating wall-mounted shelves are designed to blend modern aesthetics with practical storage solutions, making them a popular choice for a wide range of rooms including nurseries, bedrooms, living rooms, and bathrooms. This set includes 5 shelves, each measuring approximately 15.6 inches wide, 5.6 inches deep, and 1.8 inches high. The shelves are constructed from sturdy composite wood and finished in a sleek black, offering a minimalist look that suits both contemporary and farmhouse decor. Each shelf features a lip or a ledge at the front, which serves as a dropping guard to keep items secure. This design element is particularly appreciated by users who want to display books, picture frames, toiletries, or decorative items without worrying about them sliding off. The weight capacity for each shelf is up to 20 pounds, making them suitable for a variety of lightweight to moderately heavy objects. One of the most frequently mentioned advantages of these shelves is their ease of installation. The package includes all necessary hardware, such as screws and wall anchors, as well as a straightforward instruction manual. Some users highlight the inclusion of a template, which makes it easier to align and mount the shelves accurately. Many reviewers note that the installation process takes only a few minutes, even for those with minimal DIY experience. The versatility of the Richer House shelves stands out in user feedback. Customers have used them as spice racks in the kitchen, over-the-toilet storage in bathrooms, picture ledges in bedrooms, and display shelves for plants, records, magazines, and trophies in living rooms. The uniform size of the shelves allows for creative arrangements, whether placed in a symmetrical gallery or staggered for a more dynamic look. Multiple users have commented on the quality and sturdiness of the shelves, noting that they do not sag or flex under the recommended weight. The composite wood construction provides a solid feel, and the black finish is described as both attractive and easy to maintain. The shelves are also praised for their ability to hold a variety of items, from books and fragrances to bathroom essentials. In terms of value, the Richer House 5-set floating shelves are frequently described as worth every penny. Compared to similar products on the market, these shelves offer more boards for the same price, making them an economical choice for those looking to maximize storage and display space without breaking the bank. The inclusion of 5 shelves in one package is seen as a major benefit, allowing users to outfit multiple rooms or create a cohesive look across a single wall. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are a few areas where users express reservations. The most common concern is the weight limitation. While the shelves are sturdy within their specified capacity, they are not suitable for very heavy items or large collections of books. Some users also mention that the design, while sleek and minimalist, may be too generic for those seeking a more distinctive or ornate look. A handful of reviewers recommend pre-drilling pilot holes during installation to prevent the wood from splitting and to ensure a secure fit. This small extra step can make the installation process smoother and help maintain the integrity of the shelves over time. Another minor drawback mentioned is that the shelves are not particularly deep, which may limit the types of items that can be displayed. However, the lip at the front compensates for this by providing added security for smaller objects. The shelves are easy to clean, requiring only a damp cloth for maintenance. This low-maintenance aspect is appreciated by users who want to keep their spaces looking tidy with minimal effort. The black finish resists fingerprints and smudges, maintaining its appearance over time. The Richer House brand emphasizes that these shelves are handmade with care, aiming to provide both functional storage and a touch of craftsmanship to your home. This attention to detail is reflected in the positive reviews regarding fit and finish, with few reports of defects or inconsistencies. In summary, the Richer House 5-set floating wall-mounted shelves offer a compelling combination of style, functionality, and value. They're easy to install, versatile in application, and sturdy enough for most everyday uses. The minimalist design allows them to blend seamlessly into a variety of decor styles, while the lip at the front adds both practicality and visual interest. The main limitations are the weight capacity and the relatively shallow depth, but for most users, these are minor trade-offs given the overall quality and affordability of the product. If you are looking for a cost-effective way to add storage and display space to your home, these shelves are a strong contender. The overwhelmingly positive feedback from users across multiple platforms attests to their reliability and appeal. Whether you need extra storage in the bathroom, a place to display cherished photos, or a stylish way to organize your books and decor, the Richer House shelves deliver on their promises. Remember to check the product link in the description to learn more or make a purchase. And please share your own experience in the comments if you have used these shelves. Your feedback helps others make informed decisions and supports the community. Overall, the Richer House 5-set floating wall-mounted shelves represent a smart investment for anyone seeking a balance of aesthetics, utility, and value in home organization.